One of the really unique programs and partnerships that we have is a program we call Direct Connect to UCF, and it's a program that we've built to make sure that our students have access to baccalaureate and graduate degrees in our local community. So you might be aware that UCF has really increased its selectivity in terms of the admissions of its freshman class, and so we became aware that this was growing to be an obstacle for our local students. And so through a partnership with Dr. Hitt of UCF and Dr. Shugart, our president, they were able to develop this partnership that would guarantee admission of Valencia graduates to the program, to UCF bachelors. And it isn't just Valencia, it also includes our other area, Central Florida state colleges. So it's Lake Sumter State College, Seminole State College, and Eastern Florida State College. So the five of us all work together to create pathways for students and guarantee that when they finish with Valencia or finish at the other colleges, they are ready both with their prerequisite program so they can start as a junior, with the systems in place so that it's a seamless transition, that they get appropriate advising, that their financial aid transfers over, that everything is just totally aligned to make it a very positive experience and to really make sure that our local students have access to our local university. So one of the big ideas that we really believe in Valencia is that the college is what the students experience. And what that means is that we can do everything that we think as professionals, that we've created this perfect system and this perfect set of classes and perfect set of systems. But really what happens is, what's most important is, how do the students experience that? So for me, really, it's a gut check. It's a constant looking at, well, how did the students understand that? So I've shared with you about our enrollment processes and how the steps to enrollment, and I've told you what I think, but then how do students actually experience that? So we really use it from a system design point of view and really try to also make it very personal, which is hard as many students as we have, but we really try to respond to each student in a unique way in terms of their needs and what their presenting issues are, what they understand, what they don't understand. So it becomes a way to, it's a filter to constantly look at our programs to make sure that we formally and informally are gathering feedback from students. We do a lot with focus groups. We do a lot with surveys. I learn an awful lot just by individual student situations that come my way. And I use that, one of my little mantras is, if it happened to one, it happened to 500. So, you know, with a college our size, if something went wrong for one student, it likely the same thing, maybe I haven't met the other 499 yet, but how can we improve the system that's going to make it better for all students? So it's a constant, continuous improvement cycle. And really, I have to say, everybody at Valencia looks at it that way. And from academic affairs and business affairs and all that we do, everybody is very open to that conversation, and it's something we talk about all the time. So it's a very important motivator for how we design and improve our systems.